Hi guys, my name is Taylor Downs with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Harris 250 Solstice. So starting in the bow of the boat, we ordered this with gray interior and your carbon accents on it. Looks really clean. You'll have a nice ski locker right here as well. And then if you look to our side, you'll have nice recessed cup holders, good spot for your phone, USB ports. And then this boat's going to be lit up, so all interior lighting and exterior, along with underwater lights as well. Under here you'll have one of your subs, so you have two subs on this boat. Good spot for storage as well. So taking a look at your helm, you'll have a 9-inch Simrad display, 2 analog gauges on either side, JL audio head unit, and then your switches over here. Really nice clean layout. You'll have a raised platform, nice black sea deck on there as well. Digital throttle shifts, so super smooth and easy. And then you'll also have power assist steering, so really easy to operate this boat. If you look above me, you'll see we ordered the manual tower on all of our Solstice models. Real thick and sturdy, good towing spot up top. And then on this boat, we ordered the SLDH layout, so that's going to be single lounge dual helm. The dual helm seats, you know, it works for him and her, just taking a ride out there, and it really opens up this boat a lot. You'll have a ton of storage back here, nice spot for your batteries and charger. This seat will lay flip-flop back and forth and can lay down flat. Again, ton of storage, nice cooler over here, cup holders on either side. You'll also have JL sound control over there, USB ports, 2 nice fender holders, drop down swim step, and then this boat is going to be towered by a 350 V10 Mercury Verado. So again guys, my name is Taylor Downs with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you for watching. This was a Harris 250 Solstice.